How to use Obsidian for note taking. Obsidian tutorial for beginners. Hi there, to learn about Obsidian and how to use it. So first thing, you can look into your browser, obsidian.com or .md, and here you will be routed into this page. On this page, you will be provided with information on what is Obsidian. You can see its features and what you can do about it. So here, it actually is a platform where it allows you to take note of your task, the things that you do, or some important informations that may help you on your certain project. So here we actually need to download the app, but before we do, we can learn more about what is Obsidian. As you can see, here are a few of the examples that you can see on how you will be able to use this software for note taking. So it actually helps you visualize your ideas, where it allows you to organize notes visually with infinite tools that you can use as well. It is also helps you or effortlessly add existing notes and media from your Vault and edit them within the Canvas view. So with this, once you already have a Vault, you can definitely add a few informations like you can link a website, you can open or add your a certain document, or you can even add your a few files embedded on it as well. Here. So there are a lot of informations that you can choose before you will be able to download the application. You can look into these informations first to see if you would wish to download this app. But I would suggest you download this. It's very helpful for you, especially when you do a lot of note taking and a lot of things that you can do as well for your research and etc. So here there are a few Canvas templates, and you can also refer to YouTube as well for references on how you can use the website. So here, under Obsidian Canvas, I'll be downloading the application. And here I'm currently installing it now. Once downloaded, and I'm just waiting for it to fully load. And this is what will be the first step or the first thing that you will see once your Obsidian application has now been fully loaded. So what you need to do is click on create local vault. So you'll be creating your own vault. So vault is a sort of a folder, but in another word. So Obsidian, instead of they will be using the word folder, they will be using the word vault. So the vault will be the main page or the main folder that you will be using where all the notes will be placed. So this will be the main page or the main browser that you will be looking into once you will successfully be able to create your own vault. As you can see here on the left side panel, you can click on search where you can search for different files that you have on your vault here. So as you can see, when I click on search, there's a lot of information that you can definitely add into your blank canvas. Here, so on the left side panel as well, there's a lot more tools that you can use from. So what you actually need to do here, when the pop-up comes, you can actually click on File and then colon the word that you want to search for, and then it will definitely be forwarded or it will be providing you the result. So another thing here is that you can actually add a page where you can add a note on what that is about. You can also have the canvas as a graph view. You can also have it as a journal view. There's a lot of views that you can use here depending on what you or what is your purpose for creating this vault for your Obsidian account. So here on the right side panel, this is actually the blank canvas that I'm referring to, where these are the information that, or this will be where the informations will be located once you will add a few details and a few informations on the space provided. So we'll add a note here. So let's have this, for example, a research. And then we can add a few informations like we can even add an image. So some of the tools are actually located here on the three dots menu where you can pin, link the tab, you can rename it, and this is where you can save and export the file as well. Here you can export this product to the PDF, and there are a lot more tools here that you will be able or that will help you in creating your own notes. So here on the lower left side panel of the screen, you will be able to see a few options like settings, help, and here under settings, you will be able to personalize the Obsidian application under your preference, your own preference. Here, so I'll be trying to add a information or a picture into the graph. And as you can see, you can actually just drag and drop these information into your vault. And here under graph view, it's actually more like a map style where you can just click on that specific topic and it will route you to that certain page. Here. So that's how you will be able to do it. And a few informations here on the lower portion of the website, you can actually click on a few informations or drag to add a page or drag to add or to link to a certain website. There's actually infinite options here for you to choose or for you to work with in terms of taking notes into your account. Here, you can also click on the linked mentions. So, for example, you will be linking your a certain design or a certain note that you want to input or a few URL. Once completed, you can go ahead and click on the three dots menu as I mentioned earlier, and then you can export the image or the notes that we created here. Okay, that's definitely the main features, or these are the main tools that you can use for the Obsidian application. And that's the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.